funny thing about Ian Angelo and Ilang for that matter, they tried, we both tried to want to meet up with each other and talk, but we always end up people running to the place that we need to go to, who has connections with us, who abuses us, no? They are the ones who run, no, and go ahead. If you know what I mean, no, with that one, you you have one network, what you call quote unquote family, and those people who are like more superior than you takes advantage, no? Syempre, pag gift yan, guwapo, aba, nakikipag-unahan. When, okay lang sana maging mommy at daddy kayo. Alam nyo yung mga sinasabi ko ha. Yung hindi nyo naman itatapakan yung mga inferiors nyo, yung mga subjects nyo, huwag nyo agawan, di ba? You could represent and you could lead them where you are kung hindi naman trouble yung ano, di ba, yung pakay, no? If it's a really good friendship, opportunity siguro for business partnership, social welfare activities, programs, and what have you na maganda, why not, no? So, this is a reminder to mga nagda-daddy and mommy dyan, no? Sometimes nga, hindi naman alam ng subject na mommy nila yon or daddy. But, only for the purpose of, of getting what's for the subject, no? Please reflect on all of this. If we could just make use of the platform that we're using, no? Questing in the network, quote-unquote family, for doing what would be good, no? Not only for yourself, but for the others, and in the society as a whole. Why not? Diba? Kaya po, ganyan na nangyayari sa akin. I have lots of friends na we don't care naman talaga if they are showbiz, if they are popular or not. What's important is that God allowed us to communicate with each other, to know about each other, and especially that we were attracted to each other, not only to be potential lovers, but, for mere friendship, social entrepreneurship, partnership, and what have you, social advocacies, partners, cooperators, collaborators, and what have you. For good purposes, why not? Diba? Ang alam ko po, nag-meet na sila, si Ian at si Ilak, no? Because of the Letter of Light. That one I also prayed about, no? And buti pa sila nag-meet na, ay malapit naman sila doon. But anyway, all of these things, nanghihinayin na ako sometimes na para naaagawan ako or what. Pero sige lang, let the will of the Lord God be done. So, kung ano yung nakikita niyo na may success ako sa mga may achievement ako on some advocacies, mas marami pa po yan. Hindi lang nagkakaroon ng fruition dahil may nang-agaw, merong hindi nakarating, no? They ended up being partners with others. But